Good morning, Remarkable Lifers. This is Craig. So today is Wednesday, and KJ is in the United States, and he went on down to Texas and Memphis to visit family, and then I am...
Hey, Remarkable Lifers. This is KJ, and welcome to KJ Stateside Edition. So I am actually in the U.S. driving through the state of Texas on my way to visit my uncle just outside of Memphis. Craig and I've got a family wedding on this coming Saturday, so I took the opportunity to fly up a little bit early, and I've been here for a few days visiting my family in Texas, and then I'm headed up to St. Louis to pick Craig up at the airport. But I thought on my way I would stop through a little town in Arkansas called Marion and visit with my uncle and my aunt. So, and they were the gracious hosts whenever we were on our way down to Mexico. We stayed there. That was where we got the news about Craig's dad breaking his neck. So hopefully this visit will be uneventful. So right now I am on Interstate 30 and traveling on down the road, and I will show you guys what happens throughout my trip. Okay, so I've got 3 hours to go to my destination, and I am starving. I've really been trying not to eat fast food, just because I don't feel good, like, after I eat fast food. So, and I haven't this whole trip, but I had to stop and get something, and so I stopped at Dairy Queen to get a chicken strip basket, and holy cow, it's $13. $13 US. I'm like, that doesn't even include a drink. I don't know if things have gotten more expensive or what, but wow. I hope these chicken strips are good. So I made it. Made it to my uncle's house, and we are sitting outside just catching up. He ran in to start some dinner, and I'm taking a break and resting. So I made it. Yay! Well, I'm back on the road again. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, I think it's Tuesday. God, I love the fact that I can forget what day it is. Anyways, I am on my way to St. Louis. Man, it was, I had a great night. I had an absolutely wonderful night with my uncle and my aunt, and it's amazing how sometimes just visiting certain family members makes you remember who you are, and they do that for me. They recharge my soul, and I'm very happy that I got the chance to go and hang out with them for the evening. So Uncle Tony, Aunt Lou, love you. Oh, there we go. Love you, and I'll see y'all real soon. Oh, St. Louis, how I've missed you. It was kind of cool. I mean, just pulling into St. Louis, I had a little bit of nostalgia. I forgot how much I really do love this city. I made it. I made it to the outskirts of St. Louis. I am here at my brother and sister-in-law's house, and whew, yeah, what a trip. I've actually been here for a day already. I got in, and it was late in the evening, and I just totally relaxed. And then yesterday, I was so exhausted, I literally just sat on the couch and did nothing all day. But today, I'm sitting here, coffee in hand, and I've got to get up, do laundry. I've got to go shopping and get a few things, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing today. Okay, so it's been a hot minute since I've been in the States and gone to a Walmart, but let's just... How can you make a decision on what to buy? There's so much of everything. This is crazy. Okay, so the adventures at Walmart were good. Got a lot of stuff that we need, so that's good. I just finished getting it all packaged to put into suitcases, wrap up liquids and stuff in Ziploc bags, and now I am about to do all of that. I think it's hailing. It is. It's hailing.
I saved my tomatoes for you. Okay, so I'm all packed. Dogs are all taken care of. I have got all the laundry done. I have eliminated everything on my list. I have done 2 videos today. I am now 5 videos ahead so that I can be on vacation and be on vacation, and then I'll worry about that footage when I come back. But I got to get up early in the morning, so if you guys haven't already, go find Your Truly Remarkable Life. Thank you for being here. Check out that Mexico City playlist. Give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us so much. So if you haven't already, I already said that. I'm tired. Good night.